Ready to unlock your next gaming adventure but short on credit cards? Let's explore how to use Paysafecard on Epic Games to easily grab your favorite titles. First, head over to the Epic Games Store, either through your web browser or the Epic Games launcher. While both work perfectly fine, take a moment to browse through their awesome selection of games, DLCs, and other content. Once you've found the game you're itching to play, click on it to go to its dedicated page. Then, look for the Buy Now or Purchase button, usually located right below the game's price. Go ahead and click that to proceed to the checkout. Now you're at the checkout. Here, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Scroll down until you find the Paysafecard option. It might be listed alongside other prepaid card options. Select Paysafecard as your chosen payment method. You might be prompted to log into your My Paysafecard account, if you have one, or simply ask to enter the 16-digit PIN from your Paysafecard. Carefully enter your Paysafecard PIN into the provided field. Double-check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any errors. After entering your PIN, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. You might need to agree to the terms and conditions or confirm the total amount. Once everything is confirmed, your purchase should go through, and you'll receive a confirmation screen with your order details. Congrats! Enjoy the game!